see. On the GoPro, just saw Gemini Man. That was a good movie. Now, head over to the meat spot. See what we can see. Pulled up to the spot. It's kind of packed out here. Once again, gotta find my people. I don't know who 392 that is, but this joint is hot. That joint looking kind of good. Smoking. Damn.
That was a slow ass thing. Oh, I should have bet.
Burned him.
I should have bet.
He wasn't even running. He wasn't even running.
He was jogging.
He was jogging. He was jogging.
On this against SRT. No. Bet me on this one. Yes. You see why can't we boost? What? Shh, why can't we boost? Can we bet? Why can't we boost? No, he don't have no boost.
I don't got no boost.
He naturally aspirated. So NA versus NA.
It's stock. It's stock. Bro, it's stock.
Bet. Open the hood.
I'll start it up for you, but I ain't gonna open the hood.
Why would I open the hood? Like, what
I don't open the hood.
Bro, it's even you going
my
down,
hood,
you're not gonna bet.
my
Stop
hood-
saying stuff to these people, bro.
My hood latch fucked up.
Stop saying that. Stop saying stuff to him. No, it ain't even about it. It's like, you making yourself look like a fool. You on camera, bro.
Latch fucked up. It's stock. It's showing stock.
Lie don't even got it. I don't got a tire.
Look kind of fast. Why did the car turn without turn signals? Why would they do that on purpose? That's retarded.
That was the guy who honked their horn and we thought he was gonna stop.
Why would he play like that?
Oh! He got out his car.
Hey, what's up?
Oh man, get back in your car, please. People's going around him. Out of pocket. Woo, lady, you're mad close. And why y'all pop out? I was. Why y'all pop out on OA like that?
Bro, you had to, bro.
Rashawn gonna say, yeah, what's up?
He was voting in front of the car, though.
Yo, I'm on the way back, I'm looking, I'm like, what is he doing? They just went into the right lane. I'm like, he would stop as soon as I stop recording.
Bro, I need a fucking...
More time. All right, going again. That's a wrap. Once again, of course I wasn't gonna race. Why would I race? You know what I mean? Oh man, it's crazy. The meet got out of hand. It started raining though. Of course, it's October. It's gonna rain. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Browse the channel for more. Share it, and most importantly, have a nice night.